everybody. Based on some of the questions that came up during training, I wanted to create just a short video that talks a little bit more about the widget in question, which was actually the factory form widget. So the factory form widget is how you can create knowledge checks, or if you wanted to create a little bit more robust kind of series of questions and answers, you could go ahead and do so. So in the form factory, your label is always going to be your question. So you would do L to designate that as your label or your question, add in your semicolon, and then maybe we're going to talk about different cartoon characters. So we'll ask which one is a dog. So we'll go, which one is a dog? So that's going to be our question. Now, the next option you have is for how you want your answers to be presented. You can either choose C for checkbox and R for a radio button, which is going to be that little fill in the blank circle, or T if you wanted to create a text box. So if we wanted to do C, we'll actually make this one Chase from Paw Patrol, since he is a dog, so that'll work. R, we're going to go ahead. So that's going to be the fill in the blank or the fill in the circle. Let's do, we'll do Nemo. From Finding Nemo, and then we'll do a text box because we'll pretend maybe none of them actually were a dog. And you don't put anything after the text box, you just leave it open. It is essentially, they call it right here, the placeholder. So now I'm going to hit create. I'm going to close my creation option. And now we can see that our question box has popped up. So which one is a dog? Is it Chase? Is it Nemo? Or do you have to write something else? For your students, because all of these pages will be replicated for your students if you are in teacher mode. Or of course, you can always, invite somebody out, then they can, work on the panel itself. If you didn't want to do that, just depending on the age of the students, all you need to do is go into your mouse tool, your selection tool, and you can either check or uncheck boxes. So again, that's how you would select, or you can go ahead and type in the text box and you can add your own text if you needed to do a free text answer. So that is just a little how-to on the factory form. Hopefully that breaks it down just a little bit better on content creation.